Hello guys, today we're gonna have a look at the Cyborg billiard glove. Let's go have a look at it. It comes in different sizes, medium and large, and also it is available for right and left-handed players. Here it has an adjustable Velcro strap, which is of very good quality, top quality I would say. It is very thin, it has a very good and strong grip, and it comes out very easy. On top, as you can see, it has a 3D printed shell pattern. Underneath it has a cushioned pad with a 3D printed shell pattern, and also it has a breathable mesh palm. In the middle finger it has a cutout for better feeling and fit. And also the stitches look very strong, and I would say that it has a very good durability. I think it is a glove that it will last you for long. Well, it feels really nice. Excellent, I would say. Well, you can find more information about the Cyborg glove on their website, and that is www.on-tips.com, where you can also find information about the On Tips. Very good tips, I would say. Well, that's it. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button for more great content on billiard products. We will be doing more reviews on billiard products in the future. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.